Hi, hello everyone, it's me again, Ma'am Mariel, and welcome to my channel. So for this video, we are going to discuss the definition of congruent triangles. Alright? So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag mo muna kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like tong video, and i-share to sa iyong mga friends later after mo panoorin. And of course, comment down any math topics you want me to do a tutorial. And gagawa natin ng video yan, alright? So yun na nga, without further ado, let's jump to the video. So in this video, we are going to discuss the definition of congruent triangles. With the learning competencies illustrates triangle congruent. So this is for grade 8 mathematics. Alright? Two triangles are congruent if their vertices can be paired so their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Sabi dito, dalawang triangle na kapag ipinair or nagpair yung kanilang mga vertices, yung kanilang corresponding sides and corresponding angles ay magiging congruent or magkatulad. So, when we say correspond, ito yung kanyang sign, corresponds, congruent, triangle, angle. Right? So, yun yung mga gagamitin nating mga symbols all throughout the lesson. Alright? So, we have here a triangle cat and a triangle mat. So, sabi ko kanina, two triangles are congruent if their vertices can be paired so their corresponding sides are congruent and corresponding angles are congruent. When we say vertex, it is a corner or point where the lines meet. Yan. For example, itong dalawa na lines na to, nag-meet sila at its vertex dito. So, ito yung vertex niya. And then, of course, it creates an angle. Ganun lang kasimple yung vertex. And when we say corresponds, it means comparing. For example, itong vertex na to or angle C. Saan ba natin siya maiko-compare sa kabilang triangle? Dito, di ba, kay angle T? So, ibig sabihin, angle C and angle T are congruent, or these vertices, sila yung magka-partner. How about these vertices? T, sino yung magiging ka-partner niya sa other triangle? M, right? Sila yung magka-partner na vertex. As you can see naman sa picture, hindi pwedeng ito or at ito. Hindi din naman pwedeng ito at ito. Diba? So, as you can see sa picture, ayan siya. Sa ating figure, take a look at that figure. Siyempre, malalaman nyo kung saan ba mai-prepare yung mga vertices with regards in that figure itself. Alright? And this vertex, yan. So, saan mo ba siya may prepare? Dito sa vertex na ito, sa kabilang triangle. Ganun lang. Remember, we are talking about two triangles in here. Alright? So, doon na pumapasok yung corresponding sides. Okay? So, when we say corresponding sides, and what are we going to do is to find the corresponding sides of these two triangles. Enable for us to prove that two triangles are congruent, right? Using this definition. So, the corresponding sides are the pairs of sides whose endpoints are the vertices that are paired in a given correspondence between two triangles. So, ayan na. Yung corresponding sides natin is sila naman yung pairs of side or magkapares na sides na yung endpoints nila, yung kanilang vertices, is maiprepare mo sa vertices ng isa pang triangle. For example, we have segment CA. Okay? Itong vertex na to, maiprepare natin dito. Tama? And itong vertex na to is maiprepare natin dito. Tama? Meaning to say, the corresponding sides is this one. Sila yung magko-corresponds to each other. And how are we going to write it? We have segment CA corresponds to segment TA. So, ganun lamang kasimple. Titingnan nyo lang yung mga vertex nila kung saan mo ba sila mai-prepare. Alright? And, syempre, dahil sila ay correspond with each other, meaning to say they are congruent. Kung ano yung measurement ng side na to, ganun din yung measurement ng side na to. So, ganun lamang kasimple. Okay. Meron pa tayong dalawang pairs. Okay? So, what are those? So, itong vertex na to is may pair mo dito sa vertex na to, tama? And itong vertex na to is mape-pair mo dito. So, ano ba yung side between those vertices? Itong side na to, tama? Meaning to say, side CT corresponds to side empty. Ganun lamang kasimple yung pagdidetermine ng corresponding. Okay? And of course, dahil ito na lang, we have side 80 corresponds to side. Anong side siya magko-correspond? Of course, ito. Since itong dalawang vertex na to and itong dalawang vertex na to, sila yung magka-pair. Tama? And the line between those vertices is ito. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Tingnan nyo lang yung pinaka-figure. So, we have side AM. So, meaning to say, those are the corresponding sides. Alright? So, let's move on to the corresponding angles. Same with corresponding sides, but the definition of the corresponding angles are pairs. Okay, pares na naman. Sana all may kapares. Char. Of angles whose vertices are paired in a given correspondence between two triangles. Same lang din. Titingnan nyo lang din kung alin bang vertex yung magkakapares, enable for you to identify kung alin bang angles ang ipapares mo. Okay? For example, we have angle C. Yan. This how we're going to write angle. This is how we're going to write corresponds, and this how are you going to write triangle. Okay? So, we have angle C. Sino ba yung magkapares na vertex nga dito sa kabilang triangle? Si angle T. Tama? So, meaning to say, angle C and angle T corresponds with each other. Okay? Same goes with the other angles. We have angle T. Alright? Sino ba yung kapares ng vertex na to sa kabilang triangle? Of course, si etong vertex na to. Therefore, angle T it corresponds to angle M. Yan. So, ganun lang kasimple. Same goes with the angle A. So, we have the angle A. Of course, alam na natin that angle A corresponds to angle A. Ganyan lang nyo isusulat yung corresponds. Alright? And there we have it. Ganun lamang kasimple ang pagpuprove ng two triangles that are congruent. Ibig sabihin, these two triangles are congruent. Kung ano yung measurement ng mga sides nito, same with the measurement or with the measurement of the corresponding sides in this triangle. And kung ano naman yung measurement ng mga angles dito, same with the measurement of the corresponding angles in another triangle. So, ganun lamang kasimple. Okay? So, take a look at this another pair of triangles. We have triangle HEO and triangle PEO. And as you can see, medyo magkadikit sila, no? So, wag kayong malilito. Same process goes with it. So, what are we going to do in here is to just find those corresponding angles and corresponding sides. So, kanina, na-discuss ko na kung paano ba hinahanap yung corresponding sides. Alright? Magbe-base lang palagi tayo sa vertices. We have here two triangles. And kapag naman pinaghiwalay nyo sila, two triangles pa din sila. What are the corresponding sides of this two triangle? We have side HO correspond to segment PO. So, huwag kayo malilito, pinagsama lang natin. And, syempre, dahil pinagsama natin, isa lang yung letter na pwede nating ilagay sa kanya. So, pag pinaghiwalay kasi natin yan, magiging HEO and PEO pa din siya. Right? And the other corresponding sides is this one. Side HE corresponds to side PE. Tama? Okay? So, wag kayong malilito. And then, of course, we have here, this side. Kung napapansin nyo, akala ng iba is isa lang yan. But no, it is 2. Kasi, pinag-combine lang naman natin sila or pinagdikit, kumbaga. So, we have side OE correspond to side OE. Same pa rin. Ganun pa din siya. And we have yan. Okay? And then, nahanap na natin yung 3 corresponding sides of these 2 triangles. Ibig sabihin, these triangles are congruent. Alright? And then, moving on to the corresponding angles, we have angle H corresponds to what angle? Alin ba yung may prepare mo sa kanya? Siyempre, si angle P. Tama? So, yan. Angle H corresponds to angle P. How about this angle? Siyempre, dahil kadikit lang niya to, of course, ito yung angle na magko-correspond sa kanya. So, angle E. Ayan, angle E. Same lang din sila ng name since isa lang yung nilagay nating letter kasi nga magkadikit sila. Corresponds to angle E. Okay? And then, how about this one? Same process. Yan. Angle O corresponds to angle O pa din. Tama? Hindi mo naman kasi may papares ito dito. Ito dito. Hindi pwede. Ito dito. Ito dito. Kasi, dalawang triangle yan sila. Pwede mo silang paghiwalayin para hindi ka malito sa pagkuha ng corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Okay? So, ganun yung technique. And dito lang, hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ba kapag pinaghiwalay sila. Sakit naman. Char. And I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Okay? So, huwag kayo magsasawang panoorin yung mga videos ni Ma'am Mariel. Dito matututo kayo ng iba't ibang math lessons na makakatulong sa inyong studies. Okay? Thank you so much everyone and God bless us all.